Okay, here's a good one, 2 and 3 axis. We've added corner cleanup loops. If you're unfamiliar with corner cleanup, and so let's just look at the pictures here. Yeah, corner cleanup is actually in 2 axis, and now we're adding it in some 3 axis operation types. So I believe it's also already available in the cutting in levels in 3 axis, such as clearing flats on horizontal roughing, etc. But now we've actually added it to a toolpath that is not planar. This is one of our advanced 3-axis methods, 3-axis projection pocketing, where the toolpath is calculated and then projected in the z-axis down onto the part. So in previous versions, if you look on the left here, the result would be these sharp corners. Okay, so it would calculate the offset. Okay, and then it would project it down onto the part surface, and then you'd have these really sharp corners that could cause you, again, some jerking motion in the CNC machine. As the tool goes to those corners, it has to stop, change direction, etc. So
and more importantly, there might be, if the corner is really steep, you could actually end up leaving material there because the tool is turning,
yeah,
very dramatically there, and so these cleanup loops actually will go in and clean those material stubs that are sitting on the part.
Yeah, as you can see up here in the corner cleanup loop, you see that the loop, I have it set to outside. Okay, so the loop is extended to the outside perimeter of the corner, which Joe mentioned that adds some cleanup right here in this pass, right there at the corner itself. But it also allows the tool, to turn that corner without so much jerking motion on the machine, on the CNC machine. So that is 3-axis milling, and that is corner cleanup loops and 3-axis projection pocketing. If you don't see 3-axis projection pocketing in your 3-axis menu, this is a pro configuration operation type. So if you don't see that, that's the reason why you may be running expert or standard. If you need these types of machining methods that we're showing right specifically here, just let us know when we'll send you information about upgrading to Pro. So again, just before I move on, corner cleanup loops and 3-axis projection pocketing. This is before on the left, this is after in the center, and then on the right we see the control in the cut parameters tab of the 3-axis projection pocketing dialog. So let's turn the part off, the stock off. So on this one, I just wanted to mention real quick, we have another cool enhancement in the professional configuration where we're adding the corner loops, and you'll see this is not a flat toolpath. It's a projected toolpath down onto the part surface, but you still end up with these very sharp corners that will cause some jerking motions on your CNC router, similar to 2-axis actually. So now you can just you can add corner loops here. Let's show where they are here. Cut parameters tab. Now you've got the cleanup corner loop section where you can add corner loops to the inside or to the outside. I chose the outside on this one, and so it just allows that tool, another mechanism to change direction. So it's not stopping and jerking around. It's going around relatively fast through that corner loop. And then also on this one, let's go back up here. Let's go there.